Hey everybody, this is a tutorial for wired VPN users that are looking to get our service running on their Kodi device. Now, what you want to do before anything is head up to this little gear icon on the top left. When you select that, on the next page you want to go down to the File Manager. And you'll notice on the left hand side it says Add Source. Okay, you want to click on that. And in the little None field, you're going to click on that again, and you'll be able to enter a URL, okay? The URL you want to write is http://wiredvpnrepo.com, okay? And then hit enter. And then you want to enter a name for the media source. So we keep it simple and just type wired, okay? And you go over and click OK. Now you click OK here. To confirm that the source is added properly, you want to make sure you see wired here on the left hand side. Okay? Now you exit out of this area and you go back to the main screen of Kodi. And what you're going to want to do next is head down to where it says add-ons. Okay? When you click on add-ons on the top left, you'll notice there is a box. You click on that and it brings you to this page. On this page, what we're going to do is install the repository. So you do that by clicking install from zip, and then you click on the source that we added, which is wired, and then you notice it says repository wired VPN repo. You click on that, and that will install the repository. Okay. The next thing you want to do, once you see that it says wired VPN repo is enabled, you click on install from repository. Then you go back. Oh, sorry. You head over here. You go down to the wired VPN repo. Okay. When you click on that, the next screen should load with two folders. One is going to say services and one is going to say add-ons. Okay. Give it a moment. Sometimes it does take a few seconds. Okay, so now when you're on this page, you want to click on Services, okay, and click Wired VPN Manager. And what you want to do is hit Install. Okay, so now it's going to say downloading there, and then it's enabled on the top right. Okay, then sometimes what you want to do is hit the update button just to make sure you have the most up-to-date version, but most times you won't need to do that on a fresh install. Okay, you're going to back out of this area and you head over to your program add-ons. Okay, in your program add-ons you'll see Wired VPN Manager. You select that. It's going to ask you for a username. You're going to type in your username, whatever we emailed to you after you signed up for our product. Okay, and then you click OK, and then it'll ask you for the password that we generated for you. Okay, after you enter that, click OK. Now when you select Wired VPN Manager on an Android device, it'll say install Wired VPN. For those using Linux devices, you won't need to go through this process because instead it'll just say connected or choose a server. Okay. For Android devices, you click install Wired VPN and you want to select download on the screen. This download should take just a moment, and then it'll ask you if you want to proceed. You click OK, and then this screen should open. Now this is asking you if you want to install Wired VPN as our Android app. You click install, and it'll say installing, and this takes just a moment. All right, once that's finished, you want to click on open. And this is our Android app. Now you'll need to enter a username, which was emailed to you. Okay. You're going to enter a password, which was also emailed to you. And if you click on this drop down, you can actually select a city that you'd like to connect to. Okay, so if I hit Sydney, now that's the one I'll be connecting to. And after that, you simply click on connect, and this status should change to connected after you click OK here. Now I didn't put in a correct username and password, so it won't connect here for me. However, for you, when you do enter the correct username and password details, you'll notice that the status does update to connected. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if there's anything else that we can do to support you, please email us at support@wiredvpn.com.